Hi, superstars. We are starting social studies and we are on chapter 1, Good Citizens. How do people learn and work together? In this chapter, you will explore how to be a good citizen. You will read about how people are unique. You will read about how people get along, and you will learn why we have rules and laws. How do people learn and work together? Exploring how people learn and work together will help us understand how we can be good citizens. We will learn about how people are unique and how people get along. What do good citizens do? Good citizens are kind, good citizens are fair, and good citizens respect other people and follow rules. Now let's look at our inquiry project. We can be good citizens. So you're going to make a book about good citizens. Let's see what our project checklist is. You are going to talk about things that good citizens do. Then you are going to write a list, draw a picture, and make your book. So we read what do good citizens do. Do you remember what good citizens do? Good citizens are kind. Good citizens are fair. And good citizens respect other people and follow rules. So that is telling us what good citizens do. So first we said good citizens are kind. Good citizens are fair. And good citizens respect other people. And what's the last one? They follow rules. All right, so you're going to make a small booklet listing all of these characteristics of a good citizen. You're going to draw a picture and you're going to make your book. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, let's read this story. It is Don't Throw It Away by Amy Tao, and the art or the illustrator is Sarah Bies. Paper, plastic, glass, and cans don't belong in the garbage can. If you can't use them once again, toss them in the recycling bin. Batteries, medicine, some cans that spray should not be just thrown away. They're what is known as hazardous waste and must be dumped in a special place. Pile leaves and grass and vegetable scraps, abracadabra, zoom, and zap. That compost heat will soon become plant food for your garden. Yum. Toys and tools and clothes that are old can be given away or sold. Reduce, recycle, and reuse. We can all help Earth if we choose. Okay, so let's think about what we just read. What are some things that we can recycle? We can recycle, if we look over here, paper, plastic, glass, and cans. What can we reuse? If we look over here, toys and tools and clothes that are old can be given away or sold. So why is it important to recycle, reduce, and reuse? Because we want to help the earth. We do not want to pollute the earth and make more garbage. So it's good to recycle. All right, let's read about people you should know. All right, the first person is George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States. He did not try to become president. Our country needed a good leader. People thought George Washington would do a good job, and he became the leader when our country needed him. Let's talk now about Mr. Rogers. Mr. Fred Rogers cared about children and families. He made a television show called Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. His show teaches us to be kind to everyone and curious about the world. He wrote books and songs for children, and he always asked, "Won't you be my neighbor?" Okay, let's read On This Planet Earth. We all live together on this planet Earth. We all live together on this planet Earth. We respect our friends and neighbors. We are citizens together. We all live together on this planet Earth. People have responsibilities and rights. People have responsibilities and rights. We all know the things we should do. People have responsibilities and rights. We cooperate and try to get along. We have teachers here to show us. We have rules and laws to help us. We cooperate and try to get along. Many people share the world that we call home. We're unique and we're the same. I would like to learn your name. Many people share the world that we call home. How do we learn about things? Well, first we explore. Explore problems and solutions. So what is a problem? A problem is something to figure out. And what is a solution? A solution is something that finds an answer to a problem. So let's look at these pictures right here. Here we have a problem. What does the problem look like in that picture? Look around and see, what is the problem? Do you see the books scattered on the floor, on the table, under the table? That's a problem. So now, what is the solution to that problem? Let's look in the next picture here. This is the solution. What did they do? How did they fix the problem? They put the books nice and neat on the shelf. They organized the room and they cleaned up. So that's the solution to the messy room, the problem. All right, superstars, good job. I hope you enjoyed your first lesson in social studies. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.